Trump breaking news. Trump blasted in new court filing over judge recusal fight. The district attorney's office in Manhattan made fun of President Trump's attempts to get the judge removed from his hush money case in New York, which he has been fighting since 2016. Prosecutors representing District Attorney Alvin Bragg repeated their opposition in a court filing on Tuesday to a motion by Trump's legal team to have Judge Juan Merchan removed from the case on grounds of conflict of interest. A Democrat political consultant, Trump has used Merchan's daughter as the centerpiece of his case for recusal. At the request of the former president in August 2023, the State Advisory Committee found that Merchan's impartiality could not be reasonably questioned due to his daughter's political interests. Prosecutors stated on Tuesday that Trump has identified no changed circumstances that warrant revisiting that review. For months, Trump has pushed for Merchan's exclusion from the lawsuit that Bragg filed against him. The lawsuit claims that Trump, as president in 2016, concealed hush money payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels and others by submitting false financial documents. On each of the 34 charges contained in Bragg's indictment, Trump has entered a not guilty plea. In May 2023, the attorneys representing the former president requested that Merchan step down from his position as judge. They cited the judge's $15 donation to President Joe Biden's 2020 campaign as well as conflicts of interest with Lorraine, Merchan's daughter, whom the defense asserted would gain financially from the case's conclusion. A 3-month later order by Merchan, which partially relied on recommendations made by the New York Judicial Ethics Committee, denied all of Trump's contentions. On Monday, Trump asked the court to remove Lorraine Merchan from his hush money case once again, citing the same argument that his firm would profit monetarily from the judge's decision. In a filing on Tuesday, Bragg's office outlined 3 arguments against Trump's most recent request. One of these arguments dismantles the former president's assertion that Lorraine Merchan's company, Authentic, had received millions of dollars from entities linked to Trump's political opponents. Manhattan prosecutors stated that Trump's own careful wording reveals the multiple attenuated factual leaps here that undercut any direct connection between Authentic and this case. They claim that Authentic has received money from entities, and that those entities are associated with politicians. Prosecutors also claimed that politicians have raised money based on this case. The court does not have a direct, personal, material or economic interest in reaching a certain decision, as claimed in the previous paragraph. In Monday's petition, Trump's legal team contended that the fact that Lorraine Merchan's political firm's business interests are enriched by developments of this case could no longer be overlooked. In the letter addressed to Merchan, Trump lawyer Todd Blanche stated, "Under these circumstances, Your Honor has an interest in this case that warrants recusal. There is an unacceptable risk that the court's family relationships will influence judicial conduct, and the court's impartiality might reasonably be questioned, thus indicating that the judge should step down from the case." On Tuesday, Newsweek requested additional comment from Trump's campaign. On Monday, Trump's legal team also moved against Bragg's office's plea to clarify a gag order that Lorraine Merchan had imposed on the former president last week. This came only hours after Trump attacked Merchan on Truth Social, claiming that Trump's assaults on the judge's daughter constituted criticism of the judge's choice to not recuse himself from the case. The 13-page document defended Trump's actions.